ice cream? No anything? Is this a home or a prison? Huh?
I'm sensing suspicious activity. Do I need to remind you of the rules?
A hug?
Huh?
My little girl. You can let go now.
More!
What are you doing back there?
Nothing. Sorry.
You love your dad so much, huh?
Definitely. Just studying for my geography class.
I smell chocolate. Not on my watch. Aha! I knew it. No way, Jose. Drop it.
Oh
I'm so disappointed in you.
no! Are we really serious about this rule?
Never been more serious. This belongs in the trash. And score! Ha-ha! I'm watching you.
This is getting serious. I'm craving sugar. I gotta get out of this house. The rules are getting so strict. I can't take it anymore. Huh?
And the crowd goes wild as Dad clears the trash. Every trash duty is an opportunity to train for the NBA. This one's for the championship. Dad Jordan in the zone. And I soar! Witness greatness!
Ouch! Hey!
Oops.
So rude.
Oh,
I was just, helping the team, coach. Yeah!
Alright, that's my girl.
Woohoo! Phew. Ugh. That's it. I'm moving to Grandma's place. New snacks alive. Wait. I know what to do. I'll always win, Dad.
Snack inspection. Who's that?
And that's how you solve this. Hey, Dad. My classmate.
Hi, okay, I'll leave you two to it. Huh, this feels sus. Huh? What in the world? My eyes! That better be CPR!
Yum. Yum. Tastes so good.
No! Unsee!
Uh-oh.
Ah! What? Huh?
No! Wake up! Please!
Oh no, what have I done?
Don't leave me! Open your eyes!
This is all too much. I just wanted to scare him.
My plan worked. Great teamwork, dummy. I can enjoy my chocolate in peace.
You tricked me. Can't believe I fell for this. Never again.
He always catches me. And that's how it's done. Snack time. Huh?
I'm gonna have some me time. Whoa! Ah! What? Nuh-uh. Can't allow this. Ouch. My head.
Huh? I'll take another.
And I'll take the whole package. We've been over this. Clean first, snack later. All your toys go in here.
Fine. Clean, clean, clean. That's all I ever do. Happy.
More toys over here. Ah!
What now?
A spider! A giant spider! That thing has 8 legs too many! Call the pest control now!
Really? Okay. I'll get it for you.
Over there!
You! Go away!
After all this time, my spidey sense didn't see this coming.
Wait, not you!
Yay! Besties again! I'll stay!
Phew! You! Get out of here!
Huh? It's leaving! You're the Spider Whisperer! My little hero, braver than the Avengers!
Guess I deserve a candy!
Nope. There's still work to do.
As you wish. Wait a second. I have an idea. You brought this upon yourself, Dad. It's payback time. Meet Websy and Legs. They'll fight for my candy rights.
No time to rest. You're not done yet. Wait, are those spiders? I think they're moving!
Run!
Gladly! Ah! The door!
He had it coming. Time to feast. Fear never tasted so sweet. The coast is clear for more snacks. Yum. This is my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But wait, I'll play the mad scientist for a minute. This kitchen is now my laboratory. Come on, anytime now. Huh? Where's the big kaboom? Maybe my calculations were off. Brace yourselves, everyone. Let's inject some chaos. It's like fireworks!
What the? Oh, I'm scared to look. Oh boy, I'm not trained for this kind of disaster. You're sticky head to toe. Hey! Wipe off the science experiment.
Okay, I'm on it.
Stop right there. Let me take those. Go!
Whatever. You win. For now.
Good.
Who needs the ocean when you've got a tub? Whew! Pool party for one, don't mind if I do. And all parties need great catering, am I right? Good thing I came prepared. Oh, you're wondering how I did this? I'll show you. Whatever, you win. For now. I don't give up so easily. Dad should have learned that by now. My plans are getting better and better. Wouldn't you agree? Prepping the best buffet ever. Strategic snack placement is an art. I'll cannonball into sweetness.
Ugh! Today's not beach day. Just go.
Aye aye, Captain. So, yep, I'm a genius. It'll be our secret. My art project's gonna be legendary. Almost done. Ugh, I take all that back. This looks nothing like I imagined. Huh? I feel like somebody's watching me. Huh? Ah!
Sweetie, it's me!
Huh? Ah!
Calm down. I'm sorry I scared you.
Ouch! I got it!
That must have hurt.
I might need backup here, Daddy. Please?
Okay, I got you. First, I gotta get the art station ready.
You're full of surprises.
Now, let your crafting training begin. From now on, you shall address me as Professor Papercut!
Are you for real?
You want greatness?
Uh-huh.
Follow my lead and no paper shall be wasted.
Yes, sir. I'm listening. This.
Are you kidding me? No! Awful! Try again!
Oh, okay.
Perfection or nothing is the motto.
Ooh. I could use a candy.
No! How many times do I have to tell you?
Aww. Every delicious thing is banned.
Get back to work.
Ugh, you don't need to be so harsh. Aww.
Measure twice, cut once.
I don't need his help anymore. I've got a better idea. Right, Dad.
You gotta.
Sure, yeah. Yum. So good.
What's going on?
Oh, it's the glue stick. Uh-huh.
Huh, okay. Where were we?
Phew. Huh?
Just a little bite.
Whoa! You're so busted, Professor Hypocrite!
Oh no, but this was strictly for stress management. When the rule maker becomes the rule breaker.
Call this poetic justice.
It's gonna be a long day. Now that's a sight for sore eyes. Ooh, it's hot in here. You're my sweet treat. Get over here. Your wish is my command. Closer. I've got something waiting for you. Oh, I'm all yours. Woohoo!
This is so satisfying. Mom? Dad? I'm leaving! What the? Ew!
Huh? When did you get here? Hang on, sweetie. We'll be right there with you.
And done.
You caught us in the act of folding laundry.
Phew, good to know. Time for my kind of sweet. Bleh! What?
Don't even think about it. Sweet tooth? More like sneaky tooth.
Oh, come on! I'm not eating anything!
What a relief. Now go.
Of course I'm not gonna waste my candy bracelet. I know how to hide this from them. Think of these as school tie charms. My tie will be the sweetest looking one ever. And tasty. Bye!
Bye. Have a great day.
I will. Finally. I've been waiting for this moment.
Whoa, I should try that too. What was she thinking? Weirdo.